Hey folks, it's been years since I've uploaded a video of any kind to my channel. This is Romeo here, Blackberry Jedi. It's been a while since I've owned a Blackberry. Guess I'm gonna have to change my my username there. But I just got my Galaxy Fold 3 in today, and just thought I'd do a quick unboxing for the guys on Blackberry Messenger Enterprise. Let's open the box and see what comes in it. I think we all know because we've all seen 1,000 of these unboxing videos already from people that have already had them for a while. But this one is mine. I've waited around all day for this. Didn't go anywhere. Just as I was about to give up, Fedex guy comes knocking. So forgive me if the camera's a little shaky. I got the fan on. Just turn the fan away real quick. Hopefully that'll resolve some of the shaking back and forth. Here we go. Don't know what this is. Samsung, yada yada. Fluffy stuff. Here. Close the box. Bow. Charger. And the case. So let's look at these. Just to the side. Let's put that knife away so I don't hurt myself. So let's look at this case here. Okay. So I got the regular, they offer you some discounts off of accessories with the credit. So I chose this, which is the case with the regular S Pen. This is not the S Pen with the Bluetooth capability. Which way is this open? Is this open this way? Yeah. Okay. This pen goes in here. Okay. It's got a kind of a different type of material inside. I guess it's anti-scratch or whatever, but there's no anti-scratch material in here, which is where I would be worried about getting marks on the phone and whatnot. I guess we'll find out if this actually turns the screen on and off or not. This is just the power brick, because if you don't get it through Samsung with their little special deals and whatnot, then I don't think you get a power brick in this with this package. I guess we'll find out when we open it. Sorry for the slopping and opening unboxing, guys, but here it is. Okay. So no, this is, oh, this is tips, I think, for the S Pen. You guys see this? Okay. Yeah. I won't ever be using these. All the notes that I've had, I've never had to replace a tip. I don't know what you even have to do to wear a tip down. That just seems a little excessive to me. Okay, so let's cut this. Bang. Bow, bow, bow. There we go. Let's take this sucker out. Ooh la la. Okay, nothing different than anybody else has shown you already. Let's get some of this plastic stuff off here. Ooh. All right. This is a lot better looking in person than I thought it would be. You know, you look at other people's videos and you're like, I don't know. But this is nice. This has a very nice look to it. Of course, it looks premium. It's an $1,800 phone. And I think it comes with its own, I feel it comes with its own screen protector, which I will not be messing with or trying to replace or trying to put another screen thingamajiggy over it. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Let's see how this works here. Let's fold it. So it's not any kind of magnetic thingamajig that I could tell, which would be weird if it was, right? So I guess when you open it up, bam, you got your front screen, you use it, do that. You know, I can't wait for more aftermarket people to make these cases for the pen. This just seems a little cumbersome and wide. If they would have just made the phone a little wider, they could have made the pen a tiny bit thinner and snuck it somewhere on the spine. This just seems a little weird to me, but it's not as bad as I thought. You know, I thought it was gonna be thicker. It's almost like carrying two phones, all right? So this is my, let me take them out of the cases. This is my Note 20 Ultra 5G, and this is my 12 Pro Max iPhone, all right? So if I had these two like this, look at this. It's like having two phones in your pocket, you know? Maybe two smaller versions of these phones, maybe. But, so, right now I'm recording this on a iPhone XS, excuse me, iPhone XS Max, which I will be trading in for this. This XS Max has a cracked screen. And I contemplated turning this on, see if it has any juice in it. I contemplated keeping the XS Max and trading in my 12 Pro Max to get a bigger discount, but some people in the group talked me out of it, said that it was a better idea for me to keep the 12 Pro Max just because it's that much further along and has 5G, yada yada yada. So I'm trading in my Note 20 Ultra, which I've always had a Note as a second phone. I really like them a lot. Look how thin this is, you know, in comparison to this. Look, it's you get that much more phone here. So I guess I'll have to set this up and I'll make another video of, you know, after I've transferred all my stuff onto this phone, all my accounts and my other necessary stuff for me to feel comfortable using this phone. Currently, I use my 12 Pro Max as my main phone, mainly because my son, who's pictured here on the phone, is 10 years old, and he has an iPhone, and he's, you know, drinking the iOS Kool-Aid right now with iMessage, and it's really easy for me to keep track of him and his activity and, you know, parental stuff with iOS. I'm gonna have to find something equivalent on Android that I can keep track of his whereabouts there. So, you know, once you start using an iPhone and then, you know, you kind of get caught up in the iOS Kool-Aid and, you know, I got the Apple Watch, I got the phone, you know, everything you just kind of get stuck over there. But, you know, it's been a while since I've used Android as my main phone. I'm going to change that hopefully today. I'm going to use this for a while and see if I can get along the same way I did with the iPhone. I do have an older Samsung watch to go with this phone that I'm going to use. Like I said, the main thing is going to be, like, you know, on iOS, I monitor the apps that my son downloads. You know, he can't download an app without sending me a request. I like that on iOS. It's really easy to track him. I just have to hit the, you know, his information on top of the thread of a text message, and it shows me where he is, his whereabouts and whatnot. I like that. I'm gonna have to download a separate app now to bridge iOS to Android as far as me tracking him. And I will be carrying the iPhone as a second device. So, you know, when I do have to approve his apps or something like that, I'll have the phone on me, but it's just an extra step. But, so I'm gonna wrap this up for now. That's pretty much it here. This is the phone inside the case again. You know, I wish that this were magnetic so that if I wanted to just do this, I don't have this flapping around. I kind of don't like that. You know, this is a little awkward for me. I'm gonna see if I can find another case that has, I don't know, even if this was just stiffer, that it didn't just flap around, you know, I would feel better. What else comes in this box? I can just show you real quick. This is probably just the some ejection tool. Oh, this is the cable and something I'll never read. And I would imagine I have other cables that I can use, so I'll just keep this in here as a backup. And I think that's it. That's in the box. Yeah, that's it. This doesn't come out. Okay, folks. So after I get this all set up, I'll make another video maybe tonight or tomorrow and give you guys an update on how I'm getting along with the phone so far. Take care.